Denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. Two type of boxes A, B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 250 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B so that it fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of box. Hello students, let's begin with the example number 4 from practice set of 1.5 of your first chapter linear equation in two variable. So in the equation, just we read the question here and we frame the two equations from the two conditions, and from this we are going to find the fraction. So first of all, what I do here, see, we consider numerator of a fraction is x and the denominator of fraction is y. So what is our fraction? If numerator is x and denominator is y, then the fraction is x upon y or x as to y. So in this way, we first write the fraction here. Now, we have the first condition here. From first condition, what is the first condition given here? The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than the twice of its numerator. Okay, so from this condition, see the denominator is y and this denominator y is 4 more than the twice of its numerator. So from this, we have equation y is equal to 2x plus 4, equation number 1. So this is our first equation we got here. Now let us understand the second condition also. From the second condition, what they say? If numerator and denominator both are reduced by 6, then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. See here, denominator y we reduced by 6, numerator x that also be reduced by 6. So what is the relation between them? The denominator after reducing by 6 is 12 times the numerator after reducing by 6. So this is our second condition. So let us solve this. We multiply here by 12 here. We shift this 72 here. We shift this 12x here and 6 here to the right. Now we solve this. Then finally we get minus 12x plus y, that is equal to minus 66, equation number 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 are the simultaneous equations. So according to simultaneous equations, by using the substitution method, we put the value of y from equation 1, this value of y from equation 1 into the equation number 2 here. So see, in place of y, we put the 2x plus 4 and then we solve this. So minus 10x, minus 66, minus 4, minus 70. So x is equal to minus 70 upon minus 10, which is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7, that means the numerator is 7. After this, put the value x is equal to 7 in the equation 1. So here in the equation 1, in place of x we put the 7 here. So 2 7 is 14, 14 plus 4, that is 80. This is what? Denominator. So from this, finally we can write the required fraction is 7 as 18. So this is, now see the question number 5 here. Just I had read this. So in this question, first I consider the weight of A type box is x kilogram. X kilogram, and weight of the B type box is y kilogram. So according to the first condition, what is first condition? If there are 150 boxes of A type and 100 boxes of B type are loaded into the truck, then it's a 10-ton capacity. 10-ton capacity is fulfilled. One important thing here, 1 ton contains 1000 kilogram. This we have to remember. That means 10 ton contain 10,000 kilogram. So here in the first condition, 150 boxes of A type plus 100 boxes of B type, that is equal to 10 ton, that means equal to 10,000 kilogram. So 150x plus 100y, that is equal to 10,000. That is equation we got from the first condition here. So divide by 50. So we have 3x plus 2y, and that is equal to 200. Now, according to the second condition, what the second condition says, see, if 260 boxes of A types are filled in the truck, then there are 40 boxes required to fill the complete capacity of truck. That means 260 of boxes of A type and 40 boxes of B type are filled in the truck, then the 10-ton capacity gets completed there. So we write the equation 260x plus 40y, that is equal to 10,000. This is equation second, which shows the condition number 2. Now divide this equation by 20, so we get 13x plus 2y, that is equal to 500. This is equation number 2. So equation number 1 and equation number 2, they are simultaneous equation. Now check the coefficient of y, they are same and the signs are also same. So what we does, we subtract the equation 1 and 2 there. So subtract the equation 2 from 1 here, so we get this subtraction here. In the subtraction, we change the signs of the second equation there, that is plus, it become minus, this also become minus, this minus. So we have a subtraction, this 2y cancel, minus 10x, that is equal to minus 300. So x is equal to minus 300 upon minus 10, which is 30. Now x is equal to 30, put in the equation 1 here. See, in this equation x we have to put as a 30. So 3 3s are 9, that is 90. Shift on the right side. So we have 2y is 200 minus 90. So 2y is equal to 110 and y it is equal to 110 upon 2. So y is equal to 55. So finally, weight of the box A is 30 kilogram and weight of the box B, that is 55 kilogram. In this way we can write our answer.